Hey, what's happening guys? Hope you all are doing well. This is Tito back with another video. So, I have been using the Pixel Experience ROM for a couple of days and I have been using the 7th February build, and today I am gonna review this build because some of you guys asked for it, and if you wanna see how to install this ROM, here is a card for you. So without further any more delay, let's make it happen. So let's talk about performance. First of all, the performance has been pretty great with my usage. I mean, it's the most closest stock Android experience like Google Pixel 2 you can get with your Redmi Note 3. And even the fonts and all are same as Google Pixel. So now let's talk about camera. And I have been using Google Camera and GC Mod 5 with this ROM. So let's see the camera performance. Let me take a picture with normal Google Camera app here. Here is the picture. Now let me take some more pictures with GC Mod 5 app on this ROM. Here is how the picture looks like with HDR Plus enhanced mode. Pretty awesome, right? Now let me take a portrait selfie. Here is the picture. And if you want to know about music and stuff, there is no audio effects or any equalizer like that in build, but the sound output through the headphones are pretty flat. If you like that, you will like it or hate it, I don't know. I like it. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores if you want that. And here is the battery life I got with this ROM. I gotta say it has been improved with updates, and I remember the last time I checked the battery life, it was like 3 to 4 hours of screen on time. It was really bad for me, but it's kinda usable as of now. But of course the battery life of this ROM is not as good as Nitrogen OS or something like that, at least with my usage. And if you talk about bugs, I haven't faced any, but here are some problems I faced with this ROM. There is no double tap to sleep option on the status bar or even on the lock screen. And you can't adjust the screen brightness by sliding a finger on the status bar, which I really like on any other custom ROMs like Lineage OS or Nitrogen OS. In recent apps panel, there is no option to keep specific apps in memory, or even there is no clear all button on the bottom. You have to scroll all the way down, then reach to the top right corner of the screen to clear all the apps. And if you ask what are the things working here and what are not, I mean everything is working fine, like Wi-Fi, 4G, data, VoLTE, etc. are working fine. Even fingerprint scanners are working super fine. I have a PC fingerprint scanner, so I can only test that, and for me a PC fingerprint scanner is working fine. And here is the RAM management if you are into that. As you can see, app open up is fast enough here, and the RAM management is pretty good over here as all the apps were in memory, so that's awesome. So if you can live with the problems I just showed you, you can definitely give it a try. It's a pretty great ROM and it gets updated like weekly, I guess, and it's official. So that's it for now. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel right here if you loved my work. This has been Tito from KTN Tech signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.